Examiners love this body formula. So let's check what is this formula. So the structure of a good paragraph is, first, you've got to have a clear topic sentence. Please, यो भनेको के हो भने हामी चाहिँ नेपाली स्टाइलमा यस्तो भनेर ब्याकग्राउन्ड दिएर बस्छौं. That doesn't work. Please stop talking about Nepal. Oh, Nepal is this, Nepal is that भनेर IELTS-मा stop writing background. It's just a waste. You'll score 5.5. एकदम राम्रो vocabulary, grammar भयो भने go to 6. Okay, but that doesn't really help. First thing. Second, when you have a great topic sentence, then you can explain that very topic sentence, and we call them explanation sentence or sentences. 2, 3, 4 sentences just to clarify the topic sentence. I would also call it justification sentence. And your topic sentence like फेरि verify गर्नको लागि we give examples. Alright? Now we have one question on this side. I have one question here. Let me read it. So the question is, some young people are leaving the countryside to live in big cities and towns, leaving only old people in the countryside. And this is your statement. The question is, do you think this is positive or negative development? So I'm gonna give you an example of how do we create a good topic sentence. We explain it, and then I'll give you an example. Video हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ, but you are not somebody who is giving IELTS. भनेदेखि आफ्नो relatives-हरु, दिदी बहिनी कोही पनि IELTS गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने make sure that you share this video. आफ्नो दिदी भाइ बहिनी कोही हुनुहुन्छ भने उहाँहरुलाई share गरिदिनुस्. Maybe it serves them well. All right. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the luck if you are appearing for the IELTS exam. And keep watching, keep following. Bye bye.